Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to stop your mic cutting out or being choppy in Discord. So first things first, make sure that your mic isn't muted, and these to turn on. Next, go to user settings here and just scroll down till you see the voice and video on the app settings, and make sure that your input device is correct, you're using the right microphone, and your input volume is set to the max. And as you can see, what you want to do first is go here, and you could go with push to talk so that the input sensitivity is gone. But push to talk is really inconvenient for me since you need to push a button to like talk, and it's really inconvenient. So going with automatic is really preferred by many. But if your mic is cutting out or being choppy, you could edit the input sensitivity here. So you could just turn that off, and you could play with it anything you want, like what works for you. So you could test it. So for me, the lower the better right here. So you could just lower it. That's for my preference and on what works for me. So just go with what works for you guys. You could test and experiment on this input sensitivity so that your mic won't be going choppy or stuff. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it'll reach more people. See you on the next one.